Oh. No? You can't buy just the lens. You gotta buy
both.
the body too.
Okay.
8만 원? Maybe. Oh. Cameras. Let me see. MAMIYA SEKOR. This is actually one of the lenses I'm looking for.
Already?
I think. 얼마요? 3만 원? So this is one of the lenses I'm looking for. Unfortunately, everything is frozen. It's not gonna come out. It's a no-go. 카메라 안사 좋아요. 그리고 렌즈
이거랑 배워놨을 때네.
10,000원.
안 그러면 우리 나이 된 사람은 집에 넣을 사람이 그렇죠. 너무 많아요. 마누라 식당 보내놔놓고 자기 먹는 데서 갔다 왔다.
I mean, MAMIYA lens. It's got some problems. It's an M42 mount. I'm gonna have a hard time screwing it off. Camera, we can throw it away. It's got some dust, some fungus. The filter won't come off, but I think I can fix it. Maybe. Good buying. Maybe. I don't know if I won or if he won. I see Canon. Oh. This is a medium format lens. Can you see? So here's a lens for medium format camera, I think. I can't be sure. Oh. Fisheye for MAMIYA. This actually might be expensive. I don't know. I might have to look this up. 이거 얼마예요? 2,000원? 아, 2만 원? 20만 원. 200,000? 200 bucks? I'll buy money. That's cool though. I have no idea. But old zoom lenses are not very good. Now, sometimes you think these older people don't know what they're selling, but many times they do. One time I was out in the countryside and I found a LEICA, and I think it was an M3.
Yeah.
And I thought the grandma wouldn't know what she was selling, and she wanted $2,000.
Oh. Yeah. So she knows.
Alright, we're all like astonished. Astonishing. Wow. This is one of the lenses on my list.
Oh.
Yeah.
And it's very good condition, huh?
It's probably expensive. MINOLTA MC rocker PF 55mm 1.7. So this 아.
이거 핸드폰으로 이렇게 하는 게 아니고 이걸로 이렇게 조그맣게 생긴
코니카.
25만 원에 티파니 좋은 거가 있어요. 고프라이스.
$50mm 1.8.
누르지 마세요.
There's a shop just in front of a lot of camera.
Oh. Yashica, I was looking for the Yashica 50mm 1.7 or 2.0, but this is almost there. If you see a Yashica 50mm 2.0, let me know.
Okay.
40.
그거 진짜야, 진짜 이거. Ouais, en fait, t'as un fond au milieu. Est-ce que je peux avoir l'écran ici, là? Ouais.
Oh, Ektachrome. Brand. I've never owned one of the lenses before though. Oh, this lens. This lens is very famous lens. How much? 이거 얼마요?
그거요. 80,000. 드려요.
80,000.
8만 원? 8만 원까지.
But
렌스만?
렌즈만 얼마요?
렌즈만은 안 팔아요.
Shit. Well, let's see what else you have. Wow. 사진 좋아해요?
네?
사진 좋아해요?
그렇게 좋아하지 않아. 장사니까 파는 거지 뭐.
Well, there's so much to see.
얼마씩이에요?
But not the one I want. Yeah, the lens is not working. I don't know if I can fix it though. Oh, Tessar. Is a Zeiss lens? Maybe? No? Come back right now. Oh.
이리 줘보세요. 이리 줘봐요. 이거 사진 찍어가지고.
This is the radioactive lens I was telling you about. You see the yellow?
Yeah.
It is the lens I'm using on my camera right now.
Ah, okay. Oh, the same.
Same. Xenon.
스위스라고 써있는데 스위스.
Is it not?
걔 눈 나쁜 사람은 이게 제일 좋아. 우리 이거
What is that?
아유 어쩔 때는 안경 없을 때는 안 되잖아.
I have no idea.
쫙 이렇게 해서 찍어놓고
MAMIYA 오르마리.
이것도 한 4만 원 나와 이게. 이거 쫙 벌리면 쫙
Is it a
나오잖아.
camera? Yeah, I guess it's a camera. This is a Russian
What is it?
night vision camera.
Really? Night vision?
Lens we saw at the beginning, the spiral bokeh. 저기요, 이거 얼마요? 2만 원? 20,000? I'm almost tempted to get it.